Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla konrad ke sangma haga sengi baaru lepli Paidbah lingwa ke video ye ke projek kamera thia pang ICU ba shipo Jingthiah hagi khat Tylli ke hospital Jong ki district repair but Tylli ki Tylli ICU hub haga jingalang bala pelong state convention center ke projek ICU ba shipo Jingthiah kadi ke projek bala le lingwa ke public private partnership hapdeng ke tenat ke koi ke khia Jong ke Jylla bat ke eGov Foundation bat ka Karuna Trust Belaya lam lenti da ke eGov Foundation. Haba ajing kran hak ni ke sengiu Myntri Rangbah ula ong ba ka jing na ka daw jong ka jinglong ki jaka ki puta hak ni ke Jylla ka jing penbit penbiang ia ke rukom ajing sumar ki ba kham kerpang kala long shisha ka ba jenjar kham tam ki jaka nong kendong. Ka ba labu jing shikat day ia ki Paidbah. Ula pediang sengo bahas shikat day ru ia ka eGov Foundation bat ia ka Karuna Trust na kebentakan ia ke Jingthiah borba jong ki ya kajing no senyang ki balawan ra ya ki jingkela ki bakrau shibun kajing ki Paidbah ke Jylla.
What excites me,
making this 10-bed ICU project a success, and we have started and we have launched with some of the locations today, and I'm sure that we will be able to complete the other locations very soon, and more importantly we look forward to ensuring that they are run with optimal utility, and also aspire to ensure that we are able to expand this even further so that we can reach the other nooks and corners